everyone, I am Gauri and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to make attractive and aesthetic looking DIY clay jewelry holder. Before jumping into the video, if you are new to our channel, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to never miss our video. Today's video is going to be very interesting because we are going to use Fevicryl molded as our clay for this project. And also I want to share some facts about clay. It is by far the smallest particle recognized in the mud rocks. A clay particle is about 1/1000th the width of a sand grain. Is it that interesting? Let's begin with DIY number 1. Here is the pack of Fevicryl molded which we are going to use for this project. It also comes with mini packets worth Rs 20 for 50 grams, but this is a super saver pack worth Rs 250 for 800 grams, which I feel is very convenient if you are going to frequently use it. It consists of two components, an epoxy resin base and a hardener. These two, when mixed together, can be used to create different sculptures, murals and so much more. Resin base and hardener needs to be mixed well before we use the product. You guys can follow the steps as shown in the video. It is super easy to make. It is non-sticky in nature, but to get the proper grip, you can use talcum powder as required. It has a beautiful glossy finish and sets in 60 to 90 minutes, so accordingly we have to work on it. If you guys want to buy any of the products used in this video, I have mentioned all the links in the description box below, so do check it out. Now here we want to make leaf-like clay palette, so we need to mold the clay accordingly. I will suggest you all to use plain surface while doing it, otherwise it will take the impressions of the base which we don't want, so we need to take care of it. Using a wooden rolling pin, start giving the leaf shape. If you don't have wooden rolling pin, that is wooden balun, then you can use a plain glass bottle or any cylindrical shape object. This is how it looks. Now before moving to the next step, we need the mixture in the semi-solid state, that is keep the mixture aside for like 5 to 10 minutes. Also, if you want to smoothen the surface, you can use fingertips and with the help of some talcum. A quick tip, I have transferred the clay on the plastic surface because it will not stick to it, and later after the clay is completely dried, we can easily remove it. You can always do correction at the beginning of the process. You should be well prepared because the clay eventually starts to harden. So the clay is in semi-solid state, that is after 5 to 10 minutes. Now we can make the edges of the clay surface. Do it slowly and carefully, otherwise it may suffer with the cracks. This process is very much satisfying. Both kids and adults will enjoy doing this stuff. I will suggest you guys to give it a try. One side is done. Similarly, we will do the other side of it. The holder is now taking its shape. This is how it looks. We will keep this to set for next 60 to 90 minutes. Next step is to color the holder. For that I am using Fevicryl Black Pearl color. It gives sparkling effect and is washproof. Pearl kit comes with 6 different shades, so if you don't want to use black color, you guys can switch the colors as well. I am going to color the entire holder with pearl black color because it gives the stunning look to the holder. Fevicryl colors tends to dry very quickly, so it is very easy to handle. The sparkling effect is looking just perfect. At the end, you can varnish the product using spray or liquid varnish so that the color will stay intact for the longer period of time. Let's begin with DIY number 2. I have already mixed the two components, that is resin base and hardener together, and prepared the dough. We want this holder to be round in shape, so we will mold accordingly. Now again, when the clay is in semi-solid state, we will make the edges of the holder. Smoothen the edges very carefully. Use talcum if needed. Process becomes easier. That's it, and we are done. Let it dry for about an hour. Then we shall start with the next process, that is the coloring. For that I am using Fevicryl white acrylic color. Start giving the base coat all over the holder. After doing one layer of the coat, I am going to apply second layer of the color as well for the proper texture. This is how it looks. For the edges, I am going to use Fevicryl Golden Pearl Metallic color. The metallic and vibrant hues makes the artwork looks radiant and bright. You can mix and match various colors to make new color. The colors are crafted in such a manner that once applied on the surface, it quickly dries off and becomes dense and brilliant once completely dry. And this is the final look of the holder, and of course you can varnish at the end. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed the making of these DIYs. Do try these DIYs at your home, and if you love this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social medias as well. Thank you guys. Bye bye.